So with the pandemic happening, when you upgrade your filtration, it causes more pressure drop. So the existing fan systems can't handle that. So with Q-PAC, we can add Q-PAC and handle the extra static pressure to deliver all of that air to the space. The technology keeps increasing. Before there was a limitation of how much static pressure an ECM fan can make. But with Q-PAC, some of their selections, you can go over 9 inches of static pressure, which in our world, that can handle almost any HVAC air handler system. Anytime that you're guaranteeing all of the air getting to the space and meeting all the code requirements is perfect for anybody doing a filter upgrade. These older buildings, a lot of the air handlers were placed here when they built it. For the hospital market, they have air handlers that are in hard to get to places. And as they get older and we replace parts and pieces, Q-PAC allows us to do this with the least amount of impact to the customer. We've had so many customers calling us, just excited about the installation. It's a Friday shutdown, we're pre-planned, and by Monday morning the customers have a new fan system with no disruption. So we have a lot of happy customers up here, both in office and in healthcare. When I use Q-PAC or ECM fans, I'm able to make any aspect ratio of air handler. So if we need to fit an air handler through a single width door, Q-PAC's really the only way that we can do that in shortening the length of the air handler. In any healthcare application, we worry about fan failures. So a lot of older systems, they might have only one large fan. So some customers would want, if one fan would fail, to still have that available airflow to the space. So with Q-PAC, we can come in, and if one fan would fail for an emergency room, an operating room, a school, we can now provide them guaranteed 100% performance even with one fan down, or we can design them with 2 or even 3 fans down. So from a redundancy perspective, this gives any hospital the most redundancy possible and the easiest way to change out a failed fan. Thermaltech represents over 25 different manufacturers here locally. So from a school to a hospital to a historic building, if it's a fit perspective or a redundancy, it gives us a whole bunch of different options.